These problems have to do with experiments and observational studies. So you have to know the difference between an experiment and an observational study. And I think of an observational study first. It's kind of exactly what it says. You observe. You're just standing back and you're watching. I think of those like experiments they used to do on kids where they used to watch them playing with toys or something to see how they shared, and they'd have one of those one-way windows where you could see the kids but they couldn't see you. They would just see a mirror. That's an observational study. You're just sitting there as maybe as a scientist or a doctor watching the kids. An experiment, on the other hand, is when you give some kind of a treatment. Like I think of clinical trials that they do in hospitals where they'll give cancer patients like a certain drug to see how they react. They're not just sitting back and watching the cancer patient. They're giving them some kind of a treatment, and then they're seeing how they react. Okay, so let's look at our examples here. In the question 1, in order to find out which graduates have the highest starting salaries, we gather information from the grads of Ivy League private and public universities. So are we administering any kind of a treatment? I don't think so. We're just collecting data and we're looking at it. So I believe this one is going to be an observational study, and it is an observational study. How about the second one? A delivery company that owns a fleet of trucks performs a study to determine whether rotating tires at specific intervals has any effect on the number of miles a set of tires lasts. So in this case, this company is rotating the tires. They're doing something, then they're sitting back and they're watching to see how the truck tires react. So I believe this one is going to be an experiment, and it is. So observational studies, you're just watching. Think of the looking in the window at the kids. Experiment, you're giving some kind of treatment. Okay, hope that helps.